Hello, my gorgeous friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to perfect your lower lash mascara, specifically for beautiful almond-shaped eyes. If you have almond eyes, you know they are incredibly versatile, but sometimes getting that lower lash line just right can be a game changer. It can make your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more balanced. Get it wrong, and it can sometimes drag the eye down or look a little heavy. But don't you worry, because today I'm sharing all my pro tips to ensure your lower lashes look absolutely flawless every single time. This is all about making your makeup work for your unique and stunning eye shape, not the other way around. First things first, let's talk about why this is so important for almond eyes. Almond eyes are naturally elongated, with a slight upsweep at the outer corners. They're incredibly sultry and elegant. The goal with lower lash mascara is to open up the eye vertically, creating a more rounded and awake appearance without losing that signature almond shape. By strategically applying mascara, we can add definition and balance, making your eyes the true focal point of your face. It's a subtle trick that makes a huge difference, making you look refreshed and put together. It's like a mini eye lift, but with a mascara wand. So grab your favorite mascara and let's get started. The first secret weapon you need is the right mascara. For lower lashes, I always recommend a mascara with a smaller, thinner wand. Look for a defining or lengthening formula rather than a super volumizing one. A thinner wand gives you precision and control, allowing you to coat each tiny lash without getting product all over your under eye area. If you only have a chunky wand, no problem. You can use the very tip of the wand, holding it vertically to carefully tap the mascara onto the lashes. This technique gives you incredible precision. Now, for the application technique, which is where the real magic happens. Instead of just swiping the mascara on from root to tip in one go, we're going to be more intentional. Start by looking straight ahead into your mirror. Take your small mascara wand and gently wiggle it right at the base of your lower lashes, focusing on the roots. This deposits the most product right at the lash line, which creates a subtle eyeliner-like effect and gives the illusion of thicker lashes without the bulk. This initial wiggle is key for definition. After you've defined the roots, you're going to lightly comb the mascara through the lengths of the lashes. But here's the crucial part for almond eyes. Concentrate the application on the center of your lower lash line. Apply a good coat to the lashes directly underneath your iris. Then, as you move towards the inner and outer corners, use a much lighter hand. On the very outer corner lashes, you might only need the tiniest touch of product, or you can even leave them bare. This technique creates a rounded effect, counteracting the horizontal length of the almond shape and making your eyes appear wider and more doll-like. Applying too much mascara on the outer corner can sometimes drag the eye down, so keeping it light there is essential. Let's talk troubleshooting. What if you get smudges? It happens to the best of us. But the most important thing is not to panic and wipe it away immediately while it's wet. Let the mascara smudge dry completely. Once it's dry, take a clean, dry spoolie or a cotton swab and gently flake it off. It will come right off without messing up your concealer or foundation underneath. Another great tip is to apply a little bit of translucent setting powder under your eyes before you start on your lower lashes. This creates a barrier and makes any potential cleanup even easier. It also helps prevent the mascara from transferring throughout the day, especially if you have oily skin. So, to recap the key steps, choose a mascara with a thin wand. Focus the application on the roots and the center of your lower lash line, and go very light on the inner and outer corners. Remember to let any smudges dry before you clean them up. By following these simple steps, you'll enhance your gorgeous almond eyes, making them look bigger, brighter, and perfectly balanced. It's all about working with your natural beauty to make it shine even more. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope these tips help you master your lower lash game. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it works for you. I love hearing from you all. And if you enjoyed this video and want more makeup tips tailored to your features, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.